Hi guys, today we are going to see how to restart our game in Unity. For that I just created a simple player movement and some objects. If you want to create a player movement or camera follow, check my channel previous videos. For restart game you have to access Unity Scene Management. After accessing Unity Manager, just write this line and this line, check if the character going in -2 in Yak sees the Scene Manager load the scene as being active. Now our game restarting properly. Okay guys, bye.